If you own, manage, monetize or promote online content via Google search, this video is meant for you. If you are interested in having a complete overview of the basics of SEO according to the best practices, you are indeed in the right place. What's up guys, I am Sandeep and you are watching Duval. So what is SEO? Search engine optimization (SEO) is often about making small modifications to parts of your website. When viewed individually, these changes might seem like incremental improvements, but when combined with other optimization, they could have noticeable impact on your site's user experience and performance in organic search results. You should build a website to benefit your users, and any optimization should be geared toward making the user experience better. One of those users is search engine, which helps other users to discover your content. Search engine optimization is about helping search engines understand and present content. Your site may be smaller or larger and offer vastly different content, but the optimization topics we discuss should apply to the sites of all the sizes and types. How do you get site on Google? Inclusion in Google's search results is free and easy. And fun part is that you don't even need to submit your site to Google. Google is a fully automated search engine that uses web crawlers to explore the web constantly, looking for sites to add and index. In fact, the vast majority of the sites listed in the results aren't manually submitted for inclusion, but found and added automatically when we crawl the web. There is no guarantee that crawlers will find a particular site. Google Search Console provides tools to help you submit your content to Google and monitor how you are doing in Google search. If you want, Search Console can even send you alerts on critical issues that Google encounters with your site. Organic versus paid results. Search engines' result pages are divided into two distinct sections, organic and paid results. So, first let's talk about organic search results. Organic search results are natural results that rank based 100% on merit. Search engines rank the organic search results based on hundreds of different ranking factors. But in general, organic results are deemed by Google to be most relative, trustworthy, authoritative websites or the web pages on the subjects. Paid results. Paid search results are ads that appear on the top of or the underneath the organic results. Paid ads are completely independent of the organic listings. Advertisers in the paid results section are ranked by how much they are willing to pay for a single visitor from a particular set of search results, which is also often known as pay-per-click advertising. Why is SEO important? As you can see, nearly 60% of all traffic on the web starts with Google search. And if you add together traffic from other popular search engines like Bing, Yahoo and YouTube, 70.6% of all traffic originates from a search engine. Bottom line, search is a big source of traffic. SEO-friendly content. It's no secret that SEO and content are closely linked. In general, the better content you put out there, the higher you will rank. It's obviously not as simple as it sounds, but it's a good rule of thumb to follow as you write content for SEO. Creating content for product and service pages. Content for product and service pages should still be high quality, but that doesn't mean that you want your product pages to read like blog posts. In fact, the main goal of your product pages should be convert browsers into leads and customers. That's why you want your product pages to focus on the features and benefits that your product offers. Creating high quality blog content. When most people say things like content is king, they are talking about the type of insanely useful content that gets published on blogs. And there is no doubt that producing awesome content can help you to improve your Google rankings. To succeed with search engine optimization today, your site needs to put out amazing stuff on consistent basis. Anything less simply won't work. Bottom line, for your content to stand out and rank, it needs to be exceptional. Otherwise, it's going to be buried by the millions of posts that come out every single day. What is search intent? Search intent, also referred as the user intent, is the primary reason that someone performs a search. Keyword intent also describes keywords used by the potential customers and leads at various stages of the conversion funnel. Since people look for the process and use search results differently based on their ultimate goal, understanding and optimizing for search intent is hugely important for SEO. As it turns out, there are 4 main types of the search intents. Navigational. The user wants to find a specific page or site. They are dominated by the branded keywords. Informational. The user wants to answer a specific question. These queries will include how to, what is, where is, why do, and other interrogatives. Transactional. The user wants to complete an action. This isn't restricted just to purchase. It should be email sign up, lead generation from submission, store visit, or phone call. Of course, some of those sometimes might be hard to measure analytics, but that doesn't mean that they don't matter. Commercial. Similar to the transactional intent, commercial intent is also a great place to offer free version of your products and get yourself in front of their eyes. These are freebie keywords. I hope you enjoyed this little introduction to SEO. As you can see, there is a lot to learn about SEO, but considering how much targeted traffic SEO can bring, it can be totally worth the time and effort. So I highly recommend getting started with the basics. Do your keyword research before you write the next blog. Then use keyword data to optimize the basics such as your title tags and description. And who knows, maybe the next time you create your next content will stand out. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and let me know by leaving a comment when you are adding SEO skills to your next content.